Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best meat thermometer reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Kizen Digital Meat Thermometer. This budget-priced instant read thermometer from Kizen has a fold-up design which offers some protection to the probe and a large, easy-to-read LCD. The display also automatically shuts off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. Next to the LCD, there are buttons that let you quickly change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It does have an IP67 rating, which makes it waterproof and means you can clean it under running water. However, it's not dishwasher safe. This thermometer also includes a handy temperature guide, which is printed right on the unit. It also includes adhesive Velcro pads, so you can store the thermometer just about anywhere. It's powered by one CR2032 battery, but it comes with 2 of these batteries in the box. Number 2. Our second best pick is Thermopro TP16 leave-in digital meat thermometer. Although it's inexpensive, this in the oven leave-in meat thermometer from Thermopro provides you with various presets for cooking different types of meat. It also gives you the option of entering a temperature manually. You can also program alerts to coincide with these preset temperatures, and there's a digital kitchen timer, which lets you count down or count up from 99 hours and 59 minutes. It has a wide temperature range, too, from 32 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0°C to 300 degrees Celsius. This thermometer is also quite durable. It comes with a 40-inch stainless steel mesh cable and a 6.5-inch food-grade stainless steel probe, which is inserted into the meat. It also has a magnetic back, which lets you attach it to a refrigerator or any metal surface. Plus, it includes an alarm. Number 3. Our third best pick is Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you really like to use mobile technology and IoT-type devices, then you might consider the Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. There's a lot to like. The Meter Plus Meat Thermometer has a range of 165 feet and connects your phone and the Meter Plus probe, which you've inserted into the meat via Bluetooth. That gives you the freedom of being able to walk away from the kitchen and then check on the temperature simply by checking the mobile app on your phone. The app is compatible with iOS and Android. Of course, the company assumes you own a smartphone, since one doesn't come with this meat thermometer. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo Instant Read Meat Thermometer. We chose this instant read thermometer from Lavatools as our best overall because, for starters, it just doesn't keep you waiting. This meat thermometer is very responsive, with a 1 to 3 second response time. But its results are accurate to within plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. We also like its large, 2-inch, backlit display, which is very easy to read the temperature. It's also capable of tracking maximum and minimum temperatures. What's also nice is that the reading auto-rotates, so that if you need to stick it into the meat from the other side, it's still very readable. The Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo has a nice, fold-up design to protect the probe, and it has an IP65 splash-proof rating, which makes it a waterproof thermometer. The thermometer also comes in 8 different colors and has a magnet on the back so you can slap it onto the fridge or the side of the grill when you're not cooking. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Oxo Good Grips Chef's Precision Analog Leave-In Meat Thermometer. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, and that includes spending money on replacing a battery for your meat thermometer, you might find that this analog dial-style Oxo Good Grips Chef's Precision Leave-In Meat Thermometer is an ideal choice. It's designed specifically for ease of use, for instance. Part of the probe is shaded so you can tell exactly how far to insert it into the meat to get your temperature reading. Also, the cover of the probe cover comes with suggested temperature readings for cooking beef, lamb, ground meat, and pork medium rare, medium, or well done, as well as readings for fresh and pre-cooked ham and poultry, thigh or breast. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.